Wherever he had an occasion, we were invited. When he was inducted into the Academy of Arts and Sciences, we were invited. I was invited there with my husband. And Arthur Miller, at that time, was married to Marilyn Monroe. After he, of course, everybody's eyes, she was sitting in a balcony, whatever, with Arthur Miller's mother. And of course, nobody paid attention to Pearl S. Buck or to anybody else. They paid attention to Marilyn Monroe in a black dress, plain black dress. She happened to be gorgeous. Anyway, after that, they had a reception outside. So Arthur Miller comes over, and Bernie, we're standing together. He never left us. And he says, congratulations, you were just inducted. He says, thank you very much for your, but instead I'd like to meet your wife. So Marilyn Monroe came over, and this is my cousin Jeannie. Oh, you know, how do you do? And introduced us to Marilyn. I met a few people through. He used to invite us to different cocktail parties that he had. I met Zachary Scott. I met Charles Jackson, who wrote The Lost Weekend. I met, he had a very, very dear friend, and I can't remember the name. He was in the New York Times book section so many times. He used to, wherever it was, you know, it was an occasion, come along, you know. He used to invite us. As I said, we were very, very close.